Michael's alarm clock buzzed loudly, piercing the early morning silence. Groaning, he reached over to turn it off, knowing that he couldn't afford to sleep in. Today, like every school day, he had dreams to chase and a future to build. Despite still feeling sleepy, he pushed himself out of bed, remembering his determination to make the most of his education and the opportunities it would bring. He quickly made his bed, tidied up his room, and headed for the bathroom. Brushing his teeth and washing his face, he looked in the mirror and told himself, "Today is a new day, and I'm ready to take it on." After getting dressed in his neatly pressed school uniform, Michael went downstairs where the smell of breakfast greeted him. His mother had prepared a hearty meal, knowing how important a good breakfast is for fueling a productive day. As he ate, his father reminded him of the importance of hard work and staying focused on his goals. With a smile, Michael nodded, feeling more motivated than ever. With his backpack ready, filled with neat books and his completed homework, Michael kissed his parents goodbye and headed out the door. The morning air was fresh and invigorating, giving him a sense of renewed energy. At the bus stop, he met up with his friends, exchanging cheerful greetings and talking excitedly about their plans for the day and their dreams for the future. The school bus arrived on time, and Michael carefully boarded, making sure to greet the driver politely. As he settled into his seat and looked out the window, he thought about the future he was working towards, becoming an engineer, a doctor, or perhaps a teacher. The possibilities seemed endless, and he knew that the effort he put in today would shape his tomorrow. This message is for every child out there. No matter your dreams, whether big or small, remember that every new day is a chance to step closer to achieving them. Stay focused, work hard, and believe in yourself, just like Michael. Your dedication and efforts will pave the way for a bright future.